book channel থেকে affiliated with it. So this is the Silchar Book Fair, that is the book fair of Maram Valley, and not actually technically the only book fair, but since I decided, so I thought of vlogging it, and I hope you enjoy it because it looks really beautiful. And let's catch up after some time later.
So these were the two books I purchased in the fair. I hope you love the video till here, and I really love shooting it and also visiting the book fair because it was a really delightful experience. I missed all the chaos and negativity this 2020 provided to us, and I loved visiting it. Also, it had some amazing books, but I purchased only these two because I just didn't want to overwear myself or overburden myself with the thought that I have too many books and I need to finish them and so go into a slump in this overtension. So this was the first book that I purchased. This is The Fountainhead with an introduction by the author, and I have read really good books about this, really good reviews about this book. One of the thing in this synopsis, it is written, a writer of great power, she has a subtle and ingenious mind and capacity of writing brilliantly, beautifully, bitterly. This is the only novel of ideas written by an American woman that I can recall, The New York Times. And I'm really looking forward to how this book changes me and offers something very exciting or insightful to me. So yeah, this was it. Now coming to the next book. This is a small cute nutshell book on economics definition, facts and formulae. As I'm a student of economics, so I found this one really interesting and informative and at the same time very cute, and I just can put it in anywhere, like in any backpack or some bag or anything, and it will fit very perfectly, and also it will just provide a quick recap of everything I read or quick recap of everything I read or studied and all those things. So yeah, these were the two books I purchased. The Fountainhead by Anne Trent and this economics cute book, Definition, Facts and Formulae. Also on this note, I would like to wish you again a very happy new year. May this new year bring good food, good mood and everything you desire, everything you love, and prosperity, joys, hope, everything as such. So happy 2021.
So these were the two books I bought, and I really enjoyed the whole scenario of the fair. After a long time I could visit it, and it really felt overwhelmingly beautiful because after all this COVID-19 and all this stuff, it was really amazing to visit the books. I bought these two books and I'm really delighted. One is a subject that I deal with in my studies, academic studies, and the other was a really wish list book of mine, and I'm happy I got it. So yes, that was it. The positive quote for today is, winter is not a season but a celebration, and it's absolutely true. So if you have loved the video, do love it, do like it, comment what you like, what you didn't like, what I should change, and everything which is good, which you feel that you should say. Share it with your friends, family, close ones, and everyone you think would love to watch it. Subscribe to my channel because I post bookish contents, and if you are into that stuff, do subscribe. So yes, like, share, comment, subscribe to all the good things that is necessary for me and for my channel. Till the next time, bye bye.